Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter number 16 from the book Innovative Math Book, that is perimeter and area of plane figure from the Innovative Mathematics. Okay. Chapter number is 16. Chapter name is perimeter and area of plane figure. Plane figure means maybe triangle, maybe square, maybe rectangle. Okay. Area of triangle formula is half base into height. You know that. Perimeter of triangle is sum of three sides. And area of triangle by Heron's formula, that is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi perimeter, means half of the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of three sides. 2S S is equal to A plus B plus B is 2. Sum of three sides by 2. Area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 into side whole square. Area of equilateral triangle means if three sides are equal. And area of isosceles triangle formula will be isosceles means two sides equal 1 by 4 into B into 4A square in, I think this is plus sign, plus 4A square plus B square root over. Printing mistake is there. Plus 4A square plus B square root over. Okay. Area of an isosceles triangle. Let us go to the exercise directly. The exercise number is 16.16a. The first question, the area of a right angle triangle given 168 centimeter square. If the altitude of the triangle is 24 centimeter, what is the length of hypotenuse? First of all, see area of triangle, right angle triangle given, right angle one angle 90 degree, and altitude given. Okay, and you have to find out hypotenuse. Just see how to solve. First, to draw one right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree. Suppose triangle name is ABC. Here, area given and altitude given. Altitude means perpendicular. This one is given 24 centimeter. Area of triangle given. Area of triangle formula is half base into height. Half base into height. Height means altitude here. The area given 168 centimeter square. Half base not given. Height means altitude given 24. Okay. It will cancel. 212 here. Now 168 divided 12 will give you the base of the triangle. Just divide. Therefore, base of triangle will be 12 1 is 12, 12 4 is 14. Base is equal to 14 centimeter. Base is equal to 14. Means this one is 14 centimeter. After getting the base having 14 centimeter, then you can find the hypotenuse of the right hand triangle. How to find the hypotenuse of the right triangle? Hypotenuse is denoted by basically H. Now, formula is what? P square plus B square equal to H square using Pythagoras theorem. Here perpendicular, P means perpendicular, that is 24 whole square, base that is 14 whole square equal to H square. Therefore, H will be how much? Root over 24 whole square. You have to find 24 whole square plus 14 whole square, then add, then find the root over. See, the hypotenuse of the right hand triangle equal to 24 whole square, that is 576, 14 whole square 196. If you add, it is coming 772. Then find the root over, it is coming 27.78. Therefore, hypotenuse will be approximately, it will be 27.7, 27.8 centimeter. In this way, question number 1 completed. Okay. Let us go question number 2. Question number 2, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose area given 25 root 3 meter square. Means perimeter you have to find out equilateral triangle, area given 25 root 3. So first of all, number 2, what is given here? Area given. Area of equilateral triangle equal to how much given? 25 root 3 meter square. As you know, area of equilateral triangle formula is what? Root 3 by 4 into side whole square. 25 root 3. Therefore, root 3 cancel. The side whole square equal to how much? 4. You have to multiply this side. 25 4 is 100. So this implies side is equal to side will be 100 root over 100 root over how much? Side of the equilateral triangle will be 100 root over 10 meters. The side of the equilateral triangle will be 10 meters. If you draw one triangle like this, equilateral triangle having all the sides are equal. This is an equilateral triangle having all the sides are equal. Each side of the triangle will be 10 meters. And area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 whole into side whole square. And this one is given. Just putting the value area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side whole square equal to 25. Root 3 cancel both sides. Side whole square will be 4 is multiplied this side. 100 coming. Side will be 100 root over that is 10 meters. And you have to find out perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle will be 3 into side. So 3 into how much side? How much you got? That is 10 meters. 3 into 10, 30 meters. Therefore, second number question, that is find the perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle. How much coming? 30 meters. Number 2 complete. That was question number 3. Next question. Question number 3. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangular field whose sides are 30 meter, 40 meter, and 50 meter. Also find the length of the altitude drawn on the largest side. Which is the largest side? 50 meters. 3 sides given here. Number 3. First to draw an scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 50 centimeter not given, meter given. 30 meter, 40 meter, and 50 meter. Whenever 3 sides given, you have to apply Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. The Heron's formula, before going to Heron's formula, you have to find S. S1 is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is sum of 3 sides, 30 plus 40 plus 50 by 2. Sum of 3 sides by 2. How much coming? 120 by 2 coming 60 meter. S stands for semi-perimeter. Therefore, area of triangle by Heron's formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. S means 60. 60 minus A means all the 3 sides denoted by A, B, C. 60 minus 30, next is 60 minus 40, next is 60 minus 50. Now subtract, it is 60. 60 minus 30 will be 30. 60 minus 40 will be 20. 60 minus 50 will be 10. Now you see, total how many zeros are coming? That means it is 6 coming. 3 to the 6. Here 6. Here 3 to the 6. And 100. Here 100. That means 100 into 100. There are 10, 10, 10, 10. That means 100 into 100. If you will find the square root, this will be 2 6. You will take 1 6. 200. You will take 100. That means 600 meter square. Therefore, area of scalene triangle equal to coming how much? 600 meter square. One part of me. Again, area of triangle formula is what? Half base and height. Area of triangle formula is what? Half base into height. How much you got area? Area you got 600 meter square. Half base. Here a base you have to take the largest side, that is 50 meter. Yeah, what is the altitude you have to find out? As for the second part question, you have to find out altitude of the triangle on the largest side. Okay, find the length of the altitude drawn on the largest. The largest side is 50. You have to take base 50, and this is the height. Half base. Base equal to how much you have to take? 50 into height. Now you see, this will be cancel out. 25. That means 600 by 25 will give you the height of the right hand triangle. It will go by 5. 12 5 is 60 and 1 0. Therefore, h will be how much? 5 2 is 10, 5 4 is 20, 24 meters. In this way, 3 questions I have completed from the exercise 16a. chapter perimeter and area of the parent figure. Thank you for today class. Next day I do more sums.